So today we'll learn about piano, and then before we start learning about the piano and notes, we need to know about the basic theory of piano. Okay, so before we start, so you'll see both hands here that I would have already drew. So the one is your right hand, so right hand is here, your right hand, and then the other one is your left hand, so left hand. Okay, so when we play piano, we have fingerings. So we number our fingers. So your thumb will be number 1. Your pointing finger will be number 2. And then your middle finger will be number 3. And then what's your fourth finger? Will be your 4. And then the fifth finger will be your pinky. And it's important to know your fingerings because when you play piano, if you know your fingers and know which one to put and be able to follow what the composer gave you, it helps a lot. And then it will be a lot faster and quicker when you play piano. Okay, so we have our fingerings, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we'll, in a little bit, we'll talk about the treble clef and the bass clef. So when you see something like this, usually you'll use your right hand to play that part of the music, okay? And then when you see something like this, which is called the bass clef. So this one, the first one here, that's the treble clef, and this is the bass clef. The bass clef usually, not always, but usually you'll use your left hand to play that part of the music, okay? So tenia ne ba lo ba ka ora ba tu nogi na tu nogi ne awe ba midi piano ne ba lo ba ora la nogi te ba tinya ora ba tu nogi te pa ke ora noi te ki the lui de ye ne tu mu ne ga di ora nogi te tu nogi wa de da ne ko tu ne da ora ne ga ma ora noi ki ne tu ka sa ne nogi the ne tu da ba so ba si ne noi lui ne tu ma cha de ne nogi je na ke ora la ne midi piano ne tu ne ga ba ora ne tu si ne tu twe ne adiki ni nikadila treble clef na yuko kwa lape pe ine. Awe na treble clef ni adiki nikadi wada. Awe hane de la tu twe de ba na. Mimi la adiki lo na temi tobo ba. Mimi la nimi kwa la bass clef de kaudu ni. Adiki ni nikadi wada la na tu si de ba na. Wada ni kike niba malo ba fingering. Kike niba ka malo alo do la. Canada neme deura ta dinamo a kevra no ti pan unwi khana no da khade ko da le de la lime plana ke da le sala pasal argin pasal sina C D E F G A me we B we likine ne ki sala da le sida na C D E F G A B Like awele that didn't top on us. The mekwala keyboard ne. Awe bimikwala keyboard ne bikishwela bipena. Awe oda thu that awe awa. Oh. So when we play piano, there are 7 notes, 7 letters that we need to know. So it'll be C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And once you get to the B, and then you have to restart all over again to C. D, E, F, G, A, B. And I want you to memorize that 7 letters. Okay, and when we play piano, you'll have the black keys and the white keys. So, misala piano ni awe athu patira no abadila padira piano key no agera athu o the wa ona. So athu ne arke ba kevra la mina huba do ne get the app the sharp ne arke ne tar shine athu ne na ke la phemu ka ba te ba ka letters la C D E F G ne get ne tar shine da negative da la awe piano wa a kilo lona. So awe la de kana ba arke ba disinya da ba sino da ba sinya da la awe C opele B opele ne arke ne ba kwa no da la ta su de shene. So ta su ne oda kika Laki awa, laki da asu aro da ka, we laki da awa kika, laki da asu aro da kikara. So when we play piano, how we know the landmarks of where the notes are is knowing where the black keys and the white keys are. You have the 2 black keys, and then you have the white keys. and then 2 white keys, and then another 3 black keys, and then another 2 white keys. So sala bagamara odala sina, sine odala thuki kamenya. So the C is in front of the 2 black keys. So C will be here. But F, which is this note, you'll see is on the in front of the 3 black keys. So C and F. So if we want to know where the keys are, so you start with the C and then what? D, E, F, G, A, B, and then because you have the 2 black keys and then the 3 black keys, so the next one after B, it will be a C again because it will be in front of the 2 black keys. Wedi la baka thinya wane awe tatsuki kamenya ne ke da C mia C ne awe pepe ina C wulikine D me athusa kamenya ne ke F no so C D likine we E F G A B likida athusa kikada menya do akera la C do When it how to nipper napper because they memorize because to knock out that C D E F G A B likine C no When ne kwala ne keyboard lo ne kwa khu C ho phele F ho phele le kine ne gra sinya lo ne ka ba di phele lo ne Okay ke ne ba malo da no bali where nogi letters na ba malo ba letters ke ba malo da notes so when you play piano you need to know where what your notes are Earlier we talked about the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, right? Those letters. Well, then we'll show you where those letters are. And then we also talked about the treble clefs and the bass clef. Okay. So we'll learn those notes right now. So let's do the treble clef. So this the first, usually the upper one are the treble clefs. So this is the treble clef. Let's do a different color. And then the bass clef. For bass clef. Okay, remember the treble clef, usually you use your right hand, and then for the bass clef, you usually use your left hand, okay? And then we'll talk about this in another segment. Usually we'll have to look at the key signature. So this is the clef. And then you'll have this key signature today. We'll learn 4x4, and we'll talk about in a little bit what this means, okay? So you'll have 4 notes in one measure, and then you'll have the value is it's like you have to count it 4 beats, okay? So it's quarter note on the top is the value of the music, and we'll talk about it in a little bit. Treble clef di ham go then treble clef ni dar kaimia like ne the bass clef treble clef ni argine ne mabala chu ne madila chu twada ba the bass clef ni argine ne madila ne chu sit ba Hodani ki kene ba malo da la notes na pam ga ba malo C D E F G mi hodani la treble clef da pani C ne log di C la kine agera argine ti la na ki oda bobo di na C Dahene lekine namara D. Lamana nakira E. Naki F. Mala tane one measure. Again, ria luti mea. Well, then in measure o luti. Kepa kwela hula D. E. F. Awe nakia dine. F na C D E F. Well, keep a mauda la haneda C D E F likim dala. C D E F likine. Agaba mi wa G mea. So G, A, B, C. Look here, I will big measure. But my best show papelana. Nimiti measure the D how did not come yagalina. The hene C, D, E, F. Given a color sodka. Oh, G, A, B, C. C will key in the matter. You need to know is the letters. So C, D, E, F, and then you have a measure, and then you have the G, A, B, and the C. I want you to make sure you know these notes and memorize them. Okay, the bass clef the bane, you'll have the C. So instead of the line going up, it'll go down. The bass clef the bane where the not in hekilona. B, instead of having a D, because it doesn't go up, since you're going down, you have to go backwards. So you have a B, A, C, B, A, G. Okay? You have C, B, A, G, like in one measure. So you have C, B, A, and G. And then, F, E, D, C. Okay, and then remember, what do we do when we are done with the measure? We have a line, okay? So C, B, C 는 dito salam yan, how do you get B? A, G, F, E, D, and C. So you have the C, B, A, G, F, E, and D, and C. Well, na pero malura lan tarsha ni yera lan ko kwelo nagza liki malura a gera la base club the ban eki log dagi la me travel club neki talk dagi get this in log dagi dana letters ne order 7 letters. You have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then C. So that's what we're going to learn for now, and then we'll talk about the values of the notes in the next video.